Keisha Yum, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications because that's very important. And if you are back to my channel, as always, thank you guys so much for your support. Today I'm actually doing something super fun. It's right on trend because I'm seeing it literally everywhere. Everybody's doing the rainbow eyeshadow look. I am currently in the process of packing for my trip to Cabo tomorrow, and this week has just been like batshit crazy for me. I'm technically not even supposed to be filming right now, but I'm still making time for it because I fell in love with this look. I went ahead and did a rainbow eyeshadow look. I was just like, ooh, let me go ahead and you know, try to see what my blending skills be like. I want to go ahead and wish a happy Pride Month to everyone in the LGBTQ community. Growth, you know what I'm saying? Celebrate the growth as people in general. So yes, this falls right under that umbrella with the rainbow theme look, and I went ahead and started on one eye because I didn't want this tutorial to be too long. I got so much stuff that I need to be doing right now, but I still wanted to make sure that I had some content for you guys. This look definitely is probably one of my favorite looks that I've done. I haven't really had time to practice my makeup skills, but this came out pretty good, so I'm really happy. I'm really excited about that. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit those notifications because that is very important, so you are notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you are back to my channel, as always, the support, I just love it. Thank you guys for watching it. It just makes me feel so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the right side of my face. I still need to finish off the left side as well. I didn't set under my cheekbones, and I kind of just need to blend everything out. I have setting powder on the left side but not the right side, so I'm gonna go ahead and complete the look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you stay tuned and come back to my channel and see what's new. Alright guys, leave it to me to forget a completely important step out of this routine. I had to go back and re-edit it, but I'm using my Morphe Boss Mood palette, which you guys already know is my favorite palette. I'm using Play It Cool to act as a base for my eyelid. I'm moving my brush into a circular motion, as you can see, because I noticed that it blends more evenly that way, and I want to get a nice full coverage on my eyelid to prep it for my concealer and the rainbow eyeshadow. Alright guys, so next I'll be using my matte concealer to form a base for the rainbow eyeshadow. And as you can tell, I'm just placing a dab of concealer on the back of my hand, and with my Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm sweeping some of that up, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid. I am going off of the natural shape of my eyeball and the indentation in my eye, so just go off of your natural shape. And because this eyeshadow look kind of mimics a winged eyeliner, I'm using my detailer brush to pull out that concealer along the edge of my eyeball and just forming the shape so that it's just easy, kind of like a stencil, if that makes any sense, for my rainbow eyeshadow to adhere to. To make sure that our eyeshadow color really pops and adheres to the skin, I'll be using Proof It by NYX. I love this stuff. It really helps your eyeshadow really stick to the skin really nicely and create a nice smooth base for your eyeshadow. Okay guys, so now for the exciting part, we'll be jumping into our rainbow look. I'll be using the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and you can find this palette in Morphe, and it comes with its own brush, which is so convenient. I love this palette. All the colors are just absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna start off by using the yellow eyeshadow, Campy, and I'm gonna start in the inside of my eyelid and go ahead and blend that out. The detailed part of this brush, which I'm using now, helps get into that crevice really nicely. As I am blending out Campy, I go back into my palette several times just to add more color to my brush. I want to make sure that that color is as saturated as possible. So next color we'll be working with is called Kai Kai. It's that really pretty pink color you see right there. As you can tell, I'm leaving a small gap between the yellow and the pink because that is going to be a gap for me to blend those two colors together seamlessly. You want to make sure that you have enough space to kind of blend that so they're not sitting on top of each other. The wonderful thing about this palette is that it comes with its own brush. It is so nice. I love this brush, and it's actually a great quality brush. It comes with two ends, one for details and one for blending, and you can obviously tell which one I'm using for blending and one for detail. Alright guys, everything from here is pretty simple. We've already put down our Campy, Kai, and now we're moving on to this beautiful purple color called Pageant Queen. This color is absolutely stunning. We're going to place that right next to Kai, and after that we're going to move on to blue. This blue color is everything. I actually have a tutorial on where I'm strictly just using this blue color. The name is Fishy. So we're going to place that down and we're going to blend it in with the purple. And you want to make sure that you stay along the concealer portion of your eyelid. That is going to act as your stencil. And from there, we're just blending that into the purple. Alright, so after Fishy, we're going to move on to Kiki, which is the cutest name ever. And that's that pretty turquoise color. And as you can tell, my eyeshadow kind of goes as a winged out form. You want to make sure that you are very light-handed when you are blending out Kiki. Make sure that you stay strictly along the concealer portion of your eyelid. As you can tell, you get a nice gradient effect. Alright guys, so I had to go in my bag of tricks and I pulled out my glitter liner. This glitter eyeliner is by Too Faced. It's called Glitter Pop and the color is called Super Fun Night, and it definitely lives up to its name. I love this liner even though I don't use it often. Anytime I want to make a statement, I grab this eyeliner. And right now I'm going to be using several layers of this stuff so you can tell that I'm re-dipping and going back over because I want to make sure that glitter definitely pops. And I'm just going along the shape of the eyeshadow, and I'm going to continue to wing that out as well. Next, of course guys, you guys already know, is the black winged eyeliner, one of my staples. You guys know me already. I can't go anywhere without my wings. But I had to complete this look by adding my winged eyeliner. I'm not going in full detail. You guys can already see how this works. And I also have a tutorial on my channel that you guys need to check out for sure on how to do a precise winged eyeliner, and this is no different from any other time I've showed you guys. So yeah, make sure you go check that out if you are struggling with winged eyeliner. Alright, so I'll be moving on to black eyeliner. Under my waterline, I'm using e.l.f. here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this is not the best black liner that I've used. It's not creamy, it doesn't really glide on easily, and so yeah, just do your best or just find a better one than this. This one is e.l.f. and you guys already know e.l.f. is definitely a hit or miss. Alright guys, so I'll be using my Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara to go ahead and prep my eyelashes for my falsies. I'm not going to go into big detail about how I put on my false eyelashes because it is a hassle for me. You guys can already kind of see what I'm doing, what I'm using, what tool I'm using. This is the eyelash tool to help me kind of put it in place. And yeah, it's a struggle getting those eyelashes on, but you definitely need them to complete the look. Alright guys, so here I am going under my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gently placing that Under my eyes, you guys already know how I feel about my under eye dark circle area, so I like to put a generous amount under my eyes, and I'm just going around my nose area to contour as well. So now we're going to go ahead and decorate our waterline with the same colors parallel to our top lid. Start with the yellow, placing that gently in my inner eyelid and blending that out. Next we're going to go with the pink. So I'm taking the pink and I'm gently placing that under my waterline as well. Purple, and now we're going to go ahead and end it off with the blue. And with the blue, we're going to go ahead and wisp it out gently as if we are trying to form a winged line. So yeah, it's definitely coming together and I love the way this looks. Sorry guys if I sound nasally all of a sudden. I just finished having a sneeze attack, so now my nose is stuffy. I thought I was going to have some success doing this voiceover because I had been cleared for the last couple days, but no. So we're going to go ahead and move on to my mascara. I'm using Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, and I'm pulling gently down on my lower lash. And the trick about getting your lower lashes to pop is to really use the tip of your mascara and kind of wiggle those hairs out, and you kind of want to clump them together to get that I don't know, there's a certain type of look that you get when you kind of clump them together. So for blush, I'm using Pool Party Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to dust a little bit over my cheeks, and that's just for now. We're going to sweep away my setting powder later on, but I just want to make sure that blush is definitely popping. The pink is definitely coming out, and it looks good against the pink of my eyeshadow. So we're going to move on to contouring my cheekbones by using my Huda Beauty Blondie setting powder, and I'm going to gently place that with my blending sponge onto my cheekbones, kind of forming a definition so that when I blend it out it looks nice and crisp but not too drastic, if that makes sense. Now we're going to go ahead and dust off the setting powder that I placed under my eyes and my nose. We're going to take my Real Techniques blending brush, I could not think of it, and I'm going to use my Urban Studios foundation brush to go ahead and blend out that setting powder on my cheekbones. And you want to make sure that you blend all that out very nicely, smoothly, evenly. The setting spray definitely helps kind of merge everything together. Okay, so this is my little secret for anyone who has moles, freckles, or any type of beauty mark that gets covered up during the process of you doing your makeup. I like to use my MAC eyeliner marker. This is in color Spiked, and I like to go over my beauty marks or moles with this to kind of make them a little bit more popped. You know that we are going to take whatever we are given. If God is blessing me with a beauty mark, I'm for damn sure about to let you guys see it. But yes, this is a little trick that I do. I noticed that as I'm getting older, I'm starting to get more moles, more beauty marks on my face, and they're pretty attractive. I like them in the area, so I like to make them more prominent for you guys to see. So yeah. So we are going to jump right into lips. Right here I'm using my lip liner in color Light Brown by NYX. I am gently going over my bottom lip and top lip with this, and then we're going to finish it off with some gloss. For the gloss, I'll be using MAC Dazzle Glass in color Jingle Jangle. This gloss is super, super, super adhesive, so thick and luscious. I absolutely love this gloss, and as you can tell, I'm actually almost out of it. I'm giving you guys all the tea right now, but I found this lip gloss at TJ Maxx for $7.99. So if you guys live close to TJ Maxx, be sure to look at their cosmetic section. I have been finding a lot of MAC cosmetics there. I'm not exactly sure what that means for MAC, but hey, wherever I can save a penny, thank you, Jesus. Right now I'm dusting my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and the bridge of my nose with Fenty Diamond Balm How Many Carats. This is my absolute favorite highlighter. It will be a staple in my makeup routine probably till the end. So yeah. Yay, we have made it to the end. This is one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine, and that is being completed, being done, seeing the final results. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my makeup with my setting spray. This is NYX Dewy Finish, and next to my MAC, this is probably second in line to being my favorite setting spray. This one absolutely gives it a nice dewy finish, as it says, but also it's not heavy, it's not sticky, and it's super light, and it really makes the makeup come together. So yes, this is she. Make sure you go ahead and spray a nice layer over your face. I don't like to be skimp on my setting spray because I like my makeup to look like skin, not ashy. But yes, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Again, happy Pride Month to everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and definitely share. Thank you.